Wow, that was so enlightening. I've never gained such a perspective on these careers.
Yeah, same. I love how they invited renowned experts from each field and had a raw conversation with them.
They covered all my questions. Although I'm still wary about the future, these episodes have definitely given me a place to start.
I agree. And I feel like my career anxiety has eased a bit. And the coffee definitely helped me as well.
This season of Career Cafe has been a ride for all of us. It brought insights and information that we hope will be beneficial to many. With the last episode of the season published and goodbyes in procedure, Career Cafe will be closing for renovation. We would like to thank you for staying with us for this long journey. We hope you enjoyed your order and found your true calling at Career Cafe, a place where teenagers ask experts.